Here is the workflow and I will show you how it can be done autonomously. Full autonomous AI employee. So first I will send an email to request an invoice for AI automation project worth $5,000. Here is the email including subject and body. I will copy the subject and this is my Gmail account. I paste here. Now I copy the body of the email and I'll paste here. I mentioned my another Gmail account as a recipient. I click on the send button. Okay, the email has been sent successfully. So now I will check my another Gmail account that I received the email or not. I refresh the page. Yes, here I received the email. Okay, I run this command for starting the watchers and orchestrator. The Gmail watcher is started. It detects the email after every 60 seconds. WhatsApp watcher is started. It detects the messages on WhatsApp. Approval watcher is started. It detects if I approved any file. The orchestrator is started. It detects that if Gmail watcher, WhatsApp watcher and approval watcher detect that file and run the cloudy code to process that file after every 60 seconds. So here Gmail watcher found one email matching query. The query is if it is unread, category is primary and interval 60 seconds. So I'll show you it makes the created action file for email file in need action folder. So here I open the Obsidian in need action folder. It makes the email.md file. This file contains all the details related to the email for requesting an invoice. Company handbook is the general guidelines for AI employee. And this is the dashboard. Dashboard contains all the recent updates. Orchestrator process that email.md file using cloudy model Sonnet. This means if cloudy encounter any kind of issue, so orchestrator retry it up to 5 times. If it still fails, it switch to the Olama model Minimax -m2.5 as an alternate. So it now makes the plan.md file by following the instructions of skill plan_creator. I'll show you that I made the plan_creator.md file. It contains all the instructions when we received an email to make an invoice. So here in Obsidian, we check it makes the plan file or not. Yes, it makes the plan.md file for the invoice request. And here it completes first 3 steps. Analyze email and extract invoice detail. Create invoice in Odoo Business Software Management via MCP tool. Download invoice PDF via MCP tool. So I'll show you that invoice dashboard. It runs the Odoo container autonomously and make the invoice. Now I'll open the Odoo. Here I click on invoicing. So this is the invoice detail and it downloads it and reply. So it completes step number 4, send reply email with PDF attached via MCP tool. So now I will check that I received the email or not. Yes, I received the email with attached PDF. So here is the details and also the PDF. So I open the PDF. It contains all the service details, description, AI automation project, quantity, unit price and amount. So I close this, open Obsidian. Okay, so the step number 5 is send WhatsApp notification to accounts team. It also complete that step. I'll show you. Here it notifies the accounts team with these details: invoice created, client tax solution, amount $5,000, invoice number, email sent with PDF attached. And it completes also the last step, step number 6, write summary to done and update dashboard and logs. So we have to check the need action folder. In need action folder, there is no email.md file. It moved that file to the done folder with summary. So the file number is 8B. This is the email file and this is the summary of that email. It updates the dashboard and it logged all the steps. So we have seen how AI employee perform all these steps autonomously, and I'll deploy this on cloud so it runs 24 hours 7.